Hi. Who's that back there?
No, Dad is not laughing.
I think we have a jumping bean in our house. Oh, Zoe, you're so funny.
Maybe she'll jump like Daddy.
Really high?
Maybe she'll be able to dunk. Unlike Daddy. Daddy no dunk. When you laugh, I think she
So
stopped.
funny. Oh, sorry.
Either that or she was just
I'll
jumps
stop
like 4
laughing.
times and then stops.
Hi, Fifi. Alrighty, we'll sign up. We just needed to get a quick recording of how cute this dumping is. It's so fun. Yeah, you're having so much fun. Alright, say bye. Bye-bye. 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 And see you later.